The Cuyahoga County Public Library app lets you check out books yourself using an iPhone, Android, or Windows phone. The app is available for free in the App Store, Google Play, and the Windows Store. To check out a book, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, or update your phone settings to allow the app to use cellular data. From the app homepage, tap Checkout/Renew. Scan the barcode to check out the book. Check My Account to ensure the book is out on loan to you. And that's all there is to it. The book is now checked out to your account.